السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مجموعة مدار جروب، هذه أختنا دكتورة ولاء، مسؤولة عن المختبر باثولوجيست. فإن شاء الله الحين نسألها بعض الأسئلة وتعطينا فكرة عن المختبر. فهذه الدكتورة، هذه مجموعة مدار جروب، هي مجموعة عائلية صرفة، يعني ما في حد من غير العائلة والمعارف الموجودين. نحب نتعرف على خدمات المختبر، يعني مسؤولياتك أنت في المختبر، فأعطينا فكرة.
Dr. Wala, pathologist here. I am very glad to meet you here. Just I have some questions about your job here. What is the responsibility here?
I'm here responsible about everything, like supervisor. For example, I'm the supervisor of the team working inside and also the team outside, all the medical and the non-medical people here. Always checking the result before reporting for the patient. If the patient needs any advice, for example, he is complaining from something, but he don't want how to ask for the correct test. He come to me to advise him, and he will do the test. Also, many people came to understand or to ask about which doctor here, which specialty related to our lab.
I will
guide them. Yes, I will guide them.
How is the here employees cooperate with you here?
All the team outside, we can connect with each other by many ways. We have here the phone. If anything happens inside, they can call me. If any problem, I can solve. Outside also, all the people here are communicating with each other. Nothing here, we are all cooperating with each other. Every month we make meeting for the people outside.
Yes.
If any problem, they can discuss this with me. We can solve. If not solving, we can upgrade this complaint to Mr. Omar.
I am very thankful to meet you here. And I best أتمنى لك كل توفيق ونجاح إن شاء الله. الله يخليك.
تسلمي ما قصرت. عند دكتور رشيد رجل
I'm Dr. Mohammed Rashad.
ما شاء الله.
I'm specialist radiologist at
Yes. How long you are working here, sir?
Sir, I just joined here like last month.
Last month.
Yes.
What is your responsibility here?
Here, sir, I'm a specialist radiologist. I try to give a quality and accurate report for ultrasound. This is our ultrasound machine. This is a high-end ultrasound machine. This is a Siemens S2000. It's got all 4 probes, all HD probes. There are machines, when we come to ultrasound, there are regular probes and HD probes. These are all high-end probes. We have HD probes, this is the high-end linear probe. The 3D, 4D probes. For fetuses and all. For the
Dr. Rashid, how many patients will come to you every day?
Every day, right now we have around, mashallah, it's been good 30 to 35 patients.
MashaAllah.
Yes.
MashaAllah.
Good.
MashaAllah. My best wishes with you. I'm very thankful to be here.
Thank you.
هاي الوحدة قديمة. He will ask some questions.
I can ask you? Yes, sir. I am from Bardaj Group, with a family group. Just I come to visit here in your class. What is your work here? What is your job here?
Yes, sir. I am the senior technician. And
Senior technician. From how long you are working here?
long time, sir.
Long time. Oh.
1998.
Oh.
1998, sir.
You are the most senior person here.
Very
The senior employee.
After Abdullah.
Yes, after 1 year.
Okay. What's your what is your job? What you are
Sir,
doing here?
Yeah, I'm the one who is monitoring the implementation of the structure of our quality management system. That all the technicians should be followed accordingly. So they should go into trainings and competency so that they can perform all the duties correctly. So like for example, daily they have to perform the quality control and maintenance of the machines that is needed in performing the test. These should be properly prepared before performing the patient samples. So that anything that we are going to release is really, we're sure, confident that this is correct and in quality performance.
Thank you, sister.
Mara, can you give us an idea about your external quality
Yes,
control?
sir.
How your process, what is your procedure and what is your following rules and regulations?
Yes, sir. Daily, sir, we are performing our internal control before we are parallel with the patient samples. That means if our quality control is within the range or no violation, we can run the patient sample. Because if it is out, we have to do corrective action on time before we are going to release the patient sample. We should do any action that anything that is outside the quality control should not be released. So all of this we have to do daily, and also the machines that we are using should be properly maintained. It should be calibrated and
check every day.
yes, sir.
Every time.
And we have to do the preventive maintenance also. Actually, all these machines, every 6 months we are doing verifications so that we should know that it is within the limit of performance. So many tedious works, and also we are doing external control in order to compare our performance with the peer groups. Actually, we have samples that is coming from the United States that we are performing. We call it proficiency testing sample. So we compared our test result according to that sample, and we are returning that to America. So they are giving us the feedback if we are within the limits of our performance. So all of these are all according to the quality.
I'm very happy to listen from
Can you give us
of your responsibilities. I'm very happy.
Just give an idea about training of your staff, what you are doing about training sessions.
Yes, the training of our
You are giving the
yes,
Senior
sir.
citizen.
Since we are, I should be with the technicians always. So any new technician will undergo first orientations, all the policies and procedure and guidelines, standard operating procedures, they should be aware and should know and follow. So before they are going to perform any samples, they have to see what is the standard operating procedure that they have to follow. Then we are monitoring them for 1 month before they can start performing by their own, until they will reach their 6 months of competency, meaning we can evaluate them if they can perform alone, how their performance, until the 1 year. If 1 year, that's the time we can do assessment. If they can perform, how's their performance, then evaluations.
Thank you, sister. Thank you very much. We are having some more questions with you about your staff. How many staff in the lab here?
Currently, sir, we have 4. 1 phlebotomist and 3 technicians.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Just after.
Thank you. All the best.
We do centrifugations of the blood samples that is required for general chemistry. Okay. And then here are some of the machines that we are using. This is Biorad for HbA1c. Okay, glycosylated hemoglobin. Sir, this is our cell dendritic that we are using for complete blood count, meaning for the hemoglobin, like this RBC, WBC. So all the parameters for the blood counting will be tested in these machines. And then this one, sir, this is, yes, sir, this is how we do. You can run it is automated system that all our samples are barcoded. So and it is from the system we do it by LIS, Laboratory Information. Once registered and it is in the barcoded, accepted for this acceptability of the sample, then we can do the performance. We
It is
will
working
just
automatically.
automatic, sir. Then we will just put it in the rack and then start loading. It will just automatically run.
Again, that you
Yes, sir. And
work the machine.
And the result that we have here, it will be automatic, will go to the system. It will register, no manual entry. It's all been entered. So this is our focus. And we do is the chemistry. The chemistry, it's a two parts. One is for the general chemistry and one is for the hormones. We do reproductive hormones. We do thyroid hormones. We do all the viruses, HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. All they can be done here in this country. And general chemistry, like the sugar, cholesterol, glucose, all will be done in this two parts. And all the result that we are having is automatically transmitted to the system. So from the system, the technician will do the completion, check and verify with the transmission from the machines. And then after that, the doctor will do the authentication to verify the results before we are going. So this is the process. And this is our part of clinical microscopy where we do our urine.
Yes.
Urine test, stool test, seminal fluid test, so all in this part. And this part is we do for any serological test, rheumatoid factors, CRP, any microscopic test. Then we
How are you,
take-
sir? What are you doing here?
What we're doing here is
What is your job here?
lab technician, lab
Lab
technician. Yes, sir.
Can you explain about your work?
My work is a junior medical technician. Is first is to run control. Then after running control, we can do the testing of the samples that we are receiving from the accessionaire. So here in clinical microscopy, what we do is stool routine, urine, and semen analysis. So you can see there's a lot of urine over there. That's where we put the urine.
How long you are working here?
I'm new.
New.
I'm new. I'm just 4 months here, and I'm so lucky and blessed
My
because
best wishes
I
to
have
you.
Ma'am Myra
As
who
a
teach me a
technician,
lot. Yes. Thank you, sir.
This is our refrigerators and freezers where we store our reagents. We separated the blood samples after we finished doing the testing of blood samples. We can store the sample up to the limit of 3 days. These 3 days has been verified, we tested that the sample or the test can still be stored and retested if anything from the doctor wants to verify.
Till 3
days
days.
before we discard it for proper disposals. So all will be kept here after the testing of the samples. For verification, for additional tests, yes. We can do additional tests based on our verification of the analysis. It depends on the test like the sugar, the cholesterol. Let's say the doctor wants to add the cholesterol or we can still with the sample. No need for recollection.